Once upon a time, the local market square was the heart of shopping, with a vibrant exchange of goods at its core. Decades of advancement transformed this physical marketplace into a digital expanse, marking a new era in retail. This evolution is a story of relentless innovation, where traditional brick-and-mortar stores, the bedrocks of commerce, set the stage for a digital transformation. The advent of e-commerce redefined shopping, making products accessible around the clock, globally. Following this digital lineage, dropshipping emerged, characterized by its efficiency and minimalistic approach. It revolutionized entrepreneurship by eliminating the need for inventory, enabling businesses to operate from virtually anywhere. As we delve into this video, we'll uncover how dropshipping has redefined retail, highlighting the opportunities and challenges it brings to online business. Dropshipping, a pioneering retail fulfillment method, has rewritten the rules of e-commerce by allowing direct shipment from suppliers to customers, thereby bypassing traditional inventory management. This section introduces the pivotal roles within the dropshipping ecosystem. The dropshippers, suppliers, and customers, each integral to a seamless transaction. This model exemplifies adaptability, marking a significant evolution in digital trade. The following discourse will explore dropshipping's global resonance, demonstrating its impact on both entrepreneurs and the broader market landscape. Dropshipping's global influence reshapes commerce, empowering entrepreneurs with minimal startup costs and enabling small businesses to compete in the digital arena without traditional inventory constraints. This model's scalability and flexibility support quick adaptation to market demands, fostering unparalleled growth in e-commerce and offering insights into the potential for innovation beyond conventional entrepreneurship barriers. Dropshipping stands as a testament to the democratization of e-commerce, offering a lifeline to aspiring entrepreneurs through low entry barriers and operational flexibility. This model facilitates a global operational base, empowers sellers with a broad product spectrum, and enables swift market adaptation. As we venture deeper, the narrative evolves to address the inherent challenges of dropshipping, framing them as opportunities for optimization and growth in the online retailing ecosystem. Acknowledging dropshipping's advantages gears us to confront its challenges head-on. The simplicity of starting a dropshipping business attracts fierce competition, making differentiation crucial. Furthermore, the reliance on suppliers and shipping complexities introduces potential vulnerabilities. Yet, these challenges are not insurmountable barriers, but rather stepping stones to ingenuity. The ensuing segments will showcase success stories illustrating how resilience transforms obstacles into triumphs. The essence of persistence and strategic thinking is captured through real-world dropshipping success stories. These narratives reveal the power of innovative approaches in overcoming challenges such as global shipping complexities and ensuring customer satisfaction. These entrepreneurs' journeys underscore the value of adaptability, comprehensive market research, and robust supplier networks, offering inspiration and practical blueprints for aspiring dropshippers. The horizon of dropshipping is ever-expanding, driven by rapid technological advancements. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning heralds a future of predictive analytics and personalized customer experiences, promising to refine operational efficiency and tackle long-standing challenges. With e-commerce poised for continued growth, dropshipping stands at the vanguard, beckoning entrepreneurs to a landscape ripe with innovation and opportunity. Embarking on a dropshipping venture requires careful consideration of niche selection, supplier partnerships, and online store setup. Selecting a niche aligned with personal passion or market demand simplifies marketing, while reliable suppliers are crucial for quality and consistency. Utilizing platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce can streamline store creation, tailoring the shopping experience to customer needs. With determination, these foundational steps pave the way for a successful dropshipping business, embodying an iterative process of learning, adapting, and overcoming challenges. As we approach the culmination of our journey, the emphasis shifts to the critical role of tools and resources in scaling a dropshipping business. The right software can automate operations, offering insights that propel growth, while educational materials guide strategy refinement. Engaging with a community of fellow entrepreneurs fosters shared learning and support, accentuating the collective journey towards success in the dropshipping arena. Reflecting on our comprehensive exploration of dropshipping, we're reminded of its transformative potential and the exciting prospects it holds for entrepreneurial innovation. With minimal upfront investment required, it stands as a testament to the opportunities within the digital commerce landscape. As we conclude, let this journey inspire you to embrace the future of dropshipping, where innovation and opportunity abound for those bold enough to embark.